What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at SMCI stock. This morning, I did videos on Nvidia and Tesla, so check those out. Especially Tesla, guys. You can't miss this thing today. Like, look at this beautiful gap up, and this thing has been running up. Loving it. I'll do another video later once the market has closed. But let's focus on SMCI in this video, and then I'll go over AMD as well later today for the reasons that we have earnings tomorrow, both on SMCI and AMD. Now, in this video, I'll be providing you update as for the short position that I have had on SMCI, what I have done with that. You can see here that I only had 15% short position left on it. I covered most of in the profit down here in some rebounds as well. And I'll show you some data from my swing bots and day trading bots as well on SMCI. With that, please hit the like and subscribe, and also please note, none of this is any financial advice. This is only for education purposes. So let's start off with my day trading bots and swing bot, and then I'll give you update on my swing position that I had. So first, let's go to the day trading bot. So today also a good move, good position. I have to adjust the chart here so that I can show you that. On the left hand side, you can see the last 30 trades, so that are not bad. I mean, again, these are just educational tools, but seems like it has been giving great positions. Even today's current open profit and loss right now is at 2,600 right now. Closed is already today $900. So based on the position size, definitely, right? This is the, but yeah, so looking good. Let's see how it closes, but that's the day trading bot on SMCI. This is the swing bot. So swing bot is also in profit, and these are some of the reasons that once I started to see these signals come in on the swing side as well of buy, I just got out from, well, I started to size out from my swing positions that I have on the short side, right? But this is also last 30 trades of data you can see on swing side, really looking good. So just to show you a bit of this as well, and these are only educational tools. There's guarantee of nothing. You can see red days as well. At the end of the day, you are responsible for your decisions and outcomes. And if you need these tools for reference and education purposes, links to my tools are in the description below of this video. I have 2 indicators, 2 trading bots, and Wall Street alerts. All right, as I said, these are only for educational purposes and nothing more than that. All right, so let's turn these things off and let's go to my now position update. So guys, I'm fully out of SMCI now. So today, so the remaining 15% position that I had, that is also closed now fully. So I don't have any position in SMCI. I got out today once we decided to go into this blue box, right? So let's put this thing back over here. We go. Position is closed. And I'm going to get rid of this thing as well now. So yeah, I'm happy with my trades on SMCI that I have taken. I have taken 8 trades total, and 6 have been massively profitable, and only 2 ran into stop loss. So I'm happy with the performance of my net profitability on it. Now, speaking of the technicals, guys, so this was one of the trend lines that I was talking about, right? This had so many pivots, and we have taken so many rejection short plays off of this trend line. So this holds very huge importance. Once we got out of it, and I was talking about once we get out of it, guys, that's the change of structure that is happening on SMCI. Now, this is the upside is only gonna continue at least in the confirmation with the technicals until earnings tomorrow. Then we'll see what earnings does, because earnings, we don't know what's gonna come out of earnings, if this thing is gonna fall or gonna go up. It all depends on the earnings. Even if earnings are great, Wall Street will define how they want to take this thing, and vice versa. Okay, so but yeah, the structure, as you know, I have been talking that, guys, from this pivot, it's bullish structure. And then we can have the rebound, $855, and that's the level that will define it all. Once we start to get above blue box or in the blue box, this is a continuation, and on the swing as well, it's starting to change the structure now. So yes, tomorrow, I mean, this is bullish, guys, at this point. So pullbacks are being bought back up, right? That's pretty much the sentiment is. Now, the thing is that it's becoming swing bullish now, but then we also have earnings tomorrow. So you don't really have much time to trade off of the technicals. And then we will have to see new technicals after earnings to trade it that way. So there's only a trade for tomorrow now. If you took the morning trade, or if you have my bot, you know, you took the trade or whatever you want to do, that's up to you. But as for right now on SMCI, even on intraday, I'm seeing higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. we have these higher lows, pivots, right? So we are in the uptrend, and now for tomorrow, because today's move has already happened, now for tomorrow what we are looking, as long as we maintain ourselves above these levels like 881 and even like 855 tomorrow, if we get, this is only before until earnings, okay? Yeah, SMCI is still bullish, all right? If we lose the level of 856 or lower, then until before earnings, it can start to cool off a little bit. It will start to cool off tomorrow before earnings if it goes below 880. Otherwise, yes, this blue box is just a zone of pullback with 20 hours moving average you can use as a reference. You can see that's where usually this is finding the pullback, right? And then it shoots up. So you can just find that area and then it's gonna, continue higher. But if we lose 20 hours moving average, there's just a downside. The thing is that we can't go 3-4 days ahead right now because we have earnings tomorrow. So there is no way to define the swing on this right now with a surety. You can trade intraday as for the the direction that I just provided and the levels and areas I provided, and sentiment has been bullish as well, right? But swing is not the time for now. Let the earnings happen and then we will see what happens after that. Okay, so that's SMCI, but it's looking structure is looking, well, it's already changing. And now let's see if earnings keeps this structure and pushes higher, because if earnings comes great, and that's why I closed my position as well, because I'm like, okay, now it's a little bit getting bullish as well and it's not in my favor. I just want to close my position because tomorrow we have earnings as well. So that's why I got out from the remaining 15% position that I had. But most of my position I took out at these significant levels down here. Now, tomorrow, guys, if earnings, let's say whatever numbers comes, but if Wall Street loves it, this thing can easily gap up above $1,000. This is the level. If we gap up above $1,020, it's a complete new technicals and it may continue higher and may test all-time highs again. We'll talk about those technicals later. If it gaps down and cracks below this trend line again, then yeah, guys, we are gonna come down to 690. What is gonna happen tomorrow? Guys, earnings, I don't know. All right, we will have to see the new technicals as they will form after earnings, okay? So that's that. Take it either way, right? There's also a possibility it may not do much tomorrow just because we have earnings, so things might slow down just because traders would like to see what happens to the earnings, right? Okie dokie, guys. Well, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. Oh, well, one more thing. As if we lose this level 856 anytime, before earnings or after earnings or whenever, especially after earnings, if we lose 856, then it's just going to fizzle down, guys. Follow through. If we gap down in the earnings, then follow through on the day after will be downside, in my opinion. Okay, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Hit the like, subscribe if you need access to my tools. Links are in the description below of this video. All right, guys, bye.